All right, so I figured I'd show this real quick, and don't worry, I didn't forget about you guys. The engine's not finished yet, but I'm waiting on a flywheel and the 18-pound valve springs. So we ended up getting everything together. The reason why I didn't do the video is because, oh shit, our house was built in like 1950 or some shit, and they didn't believe in lights back then, so the lighting was terrible. I just chose not to do the video. So we ended up disconnecting the oil sensor. I don't know if you can see down there. Let's move this. There's a bolt we stuck in there. We got the intake on. We have all the jets done to the carburetor. We got the exhaust. I got this fancy little sticker. 49 cc's. That is pretty sweet. It does actually match the rest of it. So, and we got the breather on. Pardon the mess, but it's winter and I'm getting a whole lot of customers in. So, if you're interested in learning how to build something like this, there is a dude I watch on YouTube, which actually helped me with his engine. It's Redbeard's Garage. He builds a lot of these. So if you're interested in how to actually build one of these, hop over to his channel, check it out. He has a lot of really good things to say. I actually used one of his videos to build this engine. So after the flywheel comes in and the valve springs come in, we will be putting those in, and probably come spring, it will go into the mini bike. So I'm kind of excited about that. I apologize for not getting too many videos up. I've just been busy. I don't know if you watched the last video, but we just finished this snowblower. Someone bought it for 50 bucks, and I'm actually shocked as shit that it runs. This one just came in today. It doesn't run. Probably carb issue. It always is. It's always carb issue with these things. And then I have my little snowblower. Since I maintain my stuff myself, I put gas in it, pulled it twice, fires right up. I also got this this leaf blower in. We're not going to talk about that. But yeah, everything else seems to be doing all right. But yeah, we got our little engine here, and it'll soon be put in the mini bike. I apologize for not doing the governor removal video or anything like that. I wanted to get it together. Lighting was shit, so that's about it. If you got any questions or comments, let me know down below, and thanks for watching.